Ah, beautiful Tahiti. Island of radiant lagoons, legendary artists, and indescribable natural beauty. Interested in visiting this idyllic bit of heaven yourself? We cordially invite you to go exploring. As your Tahitian destination specialists, we're proud to say that we know each island in great detail and take pleasure in introducing you to the various hotel properties and providing you with complete details of their amenities. We can handle your reservations for windsurfing, spa treatments, scuba diving, kayaking, and even deep sea fishing. We'll consult with you to create a personalized itinerary for the most memorable honeymoon, anniversary, or soft adventure vacation that you'll ever have, and one that fits within your budget. Tahiti's soft, powdery beaches are breathtaking. To ensure that you receive the best advice on these spectacular islands, let a true Tahiti specialist take care of every detail. We'll make sure that your Tahiti vacation is as legendary as the islands themselves.